Smartphones used to have SD cards, but why don't the new models have them? This way, I can't take my photos out at all. I want to save photos to my smartphone's SD card. Is there anything I can do?
This is inconvenient. Let's solve this problem. The solution is 1. Use a cloud service. 2. Use a computer. 3. Use a flash drive USB memory. There are these 3 options to choose from.
Cloud? Computer? Flash drive? You're talking about something complicated I don't understand.
Exactly. So the solution is 3. Use a flash drive USB memory. Think of a flash drive as a large SD card. If you think of it this way, it's not much different from before. We will solve the problem step by step using this table. 1. Connect the adapter to the smartphone's charging port. 2. Insert the flash drive into the adapter. 3. Download a file management app on the smartphone. 4. Save pictures from the smartphone to the flash drive. 1. Connect the adapter into the smartphone's charging port.
Smartphone charging port? Where is that?
Right here. The smartphone charging port is... The shape of a smartphone's charging port varies depending on the model. In this table, we explain smartphone charging ports by dividing them into 3 types of connectors. 1. Micro USB, example image in the table. This connector has a trapezoidal shape and is asymmetrical between the top and bottom. The top is rounded while the bottom is flat. It must be inserted in the correct direction and cannot be flipped. 2. USB Type-C, example image in the table. This connector has an oval shape and is symmetrical on both the top and bottom. It can be inserted in either direction. 3. Lightning, example image in the table. This connector is long and rectangular with metal contacts on both sides. It can also be inserted in either direction. In this table, the types of connectors are shown according to the supported smartphone models. Lightning is used with iPhone 5 series or later. USB Type-C is used with iPhone 15 series or later. Various Android models manufactured from 2018 onward use USB Type-C. Lastly, micro USB is used with older Android models produced before 2017. Most adapters typically come in these 3 types. 1. Micro USB. 2. USB Type-C. 3. Lightning. Check the connector before purchasing an adapter converter.
Buy an adapter converter. 1. Purchase location. Available at Daiso or Chiang Mobile in Maya Shopping Mall. 2. Price. 4 USB Type-C, 60 baht. 4 micro USB, 290 baht. 4 Lightning, 390 baht. 3. Selection method. Choose an adapter that matches your smartphone's charging port.
USB Type-C is sold at Daiso in Maya Shopping Center for 60 baht. This is a photo of the Daiso store. It is located in the smartphone accessories section. The price is 60 baht. The product label says Type A, Type C. Type A refers to the USB plug. Next are micro USB and Lightning, available at Chiang Mobile in Maya Shopping Center. Micro USB, 290 baht. Lightning, 390 baht. This is a photo of Chiang Mobile at Maya Shopping Center. For micro USB, the price is 290 baht. For Lightning, the price is 390 baht. USB memory. At Maya Shopping Center, Chiang Mobile. Price 390 baht. USB memory. Price 390 baht. Like this, plug the adapter into the smartphone's charging port. Step 2. Insert the flash drive into the adapter. This is an image showing how to connect a USB memory. First, plug the adapter into the smartphone. Then, plug the flash drive USB memory into the adapter. Connection steps. Connecting the flash drive USB memory. 1. Smartphone. Prepare the smartphone you're using. 2. Adapter. Connect the adapter to the smartphone. 3. Flash drive USB memory. Connect the flash drive USB memory to the adapter. Step 3. Download a file management app on your smartphone. iPhone comes with the Files app pre-installed. Android uses Files by Google as a file manager app. Some Android smartphones come with it pre-installed. If your phone doesn't have a file manager app, you need to download and install one yourself. Step 4. Save photos from your smartphone to the flash drive USB memory. Usually, following steps 1 to 3 will allow you to use the file management app. Save photos from the smartphone to the flash drive. 1. Open the app. Open the file management app. 2. Select the flash drive USB memory. Tap to select the flash drive USB memory from all storage. 3. Select photos. Choose the photos you want to save. 4. Copy or move. Select copy or move to save them to the flash drive USB memory. This is instructions for using the Files by Google app. When you open the Files by Google app, you will see the All Storage menu at the bottom. The name of the flash drive USB memory will be displayed here. Tap here to select it. You can see the actual method for copying and moving photos from the link below. No need for cloud storage. Save photos from your phone to a USB memory for just 500 yen YouTube. That's it. Now you can save photos from your smartphone to a flash drive USB memory.
My problem. I wanted to save pictures from my smartphone to an SD card. Problem solved.